Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Roaming Chronicles. So today we are going to the famous Infinity Pool in Leura. So this place is quite famous, but the thing is people doesn't know how to get there because it is in off trail. And I decided that I will make a video on how to get there. So first of all, let's make our way to the Leura cascade trial starting point. And then from there I will give you guys a hyperlapse on how to get to the Infinity Pool, and then I'll see you guys at the Infinity Pool. This is the famous Infinity Pool in Leura Cascade. So you can see there's the valley behind me and it's cool. So I have to say it is quite dangerous to come here. There is no marks or anything on the trail to find this place. So if you follow the Bridal Veil lookout track all the way down to the Bridal Veil Falls that we passed a few minutes ago, and when you see that iron bridge, you just have to take the off track and follow that track all the way to here. And also on top, when you are coming to the Infinity Pool, you have to do this part. There is a little bit of rock scrambling. If you are not confident enough like me because I don't know how it's going to happen and I've never done rock scrambling before with a rope. So what you have to do is go through the other way and come through the water stream, and you just have to jump over some rocks, and it's really cold. I came here without anything, like no shoes at all, nothing. So be very, very careful, and also make sure you don't come here on a rainy day, because on a rainy day flash flood can't happen. So obviously the flash flood happens, you will go down automatically down the mountain. So however, it is a bit scary, but it is fun. So always I say, what is the life without a risk? So I took the risk, and this is what I did. So it's really beautiful. I'm gonna have a bath, and then it's too cold. I don't think I can stay here for a longer time, but for a little bit time I'm gonna have a bath, and then I'm gonna get back up because it's super cold. I mean, the boat is super cold. The temperature is around I think 21-22 degrees today. Some almost here, but still it's 22 up here in the mountains. I think down in Sydney it's around 28 degrees, but it's around here it's 22 degrees Celsius. So let's have a bath, enjoy the nature, and then we'll see how it goes. So guys, that was the famous infinity pool. It got very famous in the Instagram because of the location and its views. So the climb up is very hard because it is very steep. Going down is kind of easy, but climbing up, it takes all your energy, but it's all worth it. So that is the Leura Infinity Pool. I didn't had that much time. I was planning to have a bath, but I had a bath, but I didn't spend much time over there because it's super cold, and I forgot my tripod as well. So I might come back again with one of my friends, probably in the summer when it's hot, because it's still the spring going on, and even though it's hot in the city area over here, it's around 20 to 23 degrees. So in the summer I might come with my friends and enjoy the pool again. And yeah, so if you want to come here, just follow all the way to the Bridal Whales lookout that is in the bottom of the falls, and follow the trail until you meet the Iron Bridge, and then before you get into the Iron Bridge, just turn to your left and follow the obvious path that will take you to the infinity pool. So that is how you go to the Leura Infinity Pool. So another thing, you can't come here by car yet because they are having some repairs going on over here, and there is a plane, like a helicopter, working with all the other machineries, repairing the area, and hopefully they will open it soon and we can come very closer by car. But if you come by the train also, I think it's around another 15 to 30 minute hike from the station to the trial starting point. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The only other thing is the infinity pool is not marked in any map, not even in the All Trails app. So you just have to take the risk and go through the off trail. So with that, I'm gonna end the video. So that's how you go to the infinity pool. If you enjoyed my video, like, subscribe and comment, and also share it with your friends who you wanna come here with. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys in our next adventure. Till then, stay safe. Bye.